past video, we will continue with face retouch. Select the opacity of face area. Add new layer, clip it with object, and change blending mode to soft light. Color all around the face, especially dark part. This is for to clean the skin. Select the object layer, as we will smudge the eyebrows. Smudge the eyebrows. Top. Choose the color. Draw a line as shown. After that, tap an eraser tool. Erase upper and below part, and make an eyebrow shape as you like. Don't worry if the size too big, because we will fix it. Click the adjustment tool to fix the size. Resize it. Next, add more details. Before that, make sure to setting the force fade. Draw curved line. Use an eraser to fix messy part. As I said before, it's okay if the eyebrow size too long or big. By using the lasso tool, select the eyebrows. Click adjustment and shrink the eyebrow size. If you're too lazy to do the other part, just copy and paste the eyebrows you have made. You can always change the color by using filter tool. Use the hue saturation and lightness to adjust the color. First we will color the eye shape. Just pick any color. All area of the eye shape. After For the color, you can use any. Draw a curved line and it's okay if it looks messy. Use an eraser tool to fix the mess. Draw a line. Use eraser to fix the shape. Use a liquify pen to adjust the position. Duplicate and adjust for other part. We will make up the lashes. Setting the force fade. Make sure to follow this setting. Use a very small size for brush. First, draw a curve like as shown. After that, draw a line from the top and connect it to the curve. There are 3 directions when making lashes, where there are right, left and center. Do adjustment if you think the direction is not good. When you're done, we will continue for second layer. Draw a same line besides the line you drawn before. Then draw another line. For me, I love to draw a double line for each part. Add more details. As usual, use liquify pen to adjust the shape. Next, we will draw our lashes. Setting force fade as shown. Same as before, draw a line. Make a double line for each part. Erase excess lines with an eraser. Add details. Copy and adjust for another part. Add new layer and change it to multiply. Don't forget to clip it. By using same color, shade the corner and upper part. Repeat as before, but this time, choose a darker shade. By picking a very dark shade, color the depth part. Shade a thin lines for lower part. Choose maroon color and shade around the corner. Blur it with blur tool. Pick any dark color you like. Draw a round shape. Adjust the position. This is optional. Unclip it. Add new layer and clip it. Pick a brighter shade. Draw a line. Pick black color and draw the round shape at the middle. Shade with black color at upper part. Use white color and draw a reflection. Combine the layer one by one, then clip it back. Next, draw a shadow around the iris with lip tint brush. Copy the dark shade. By using black color, shade upper part. Reduce the opacity. Same as before, you can always change the color. Draw a line, then fix it with eraser. Reduce the opacity. be continued to the next video.